My name is Debbie, and I'm an orthodontic assistant in the Saskatoon area. My job is to be Dr. Kurtz's hands. We always laugh and say he's the brains of the operation, we are his hands. So I'm taking molds of teeth, I'm taking scans, I'm taking changes in arch wires. Whatever he would like me to do, that's my job. On average, I will see about 4 patients an hour, maybe 5, depending on what needs to be done. And Dr. Kurtz, we have 6 chairs going in the office, and he floats between all of those chairs and basically just lets us know what we need to be doing. And there are 2 of us in here, and we just basically follow each other around, helping out where we need to help out. I got started in orthodontics right from square one. I had to get my dental assisting, and how I decided on that career was it was a 1-year program, and it still is, but it was something that I thought at that point I could get my career started very quickly and get into the workforce. I liked dental assisting because when I had a lot of time at the dental office when I was younger, and they were always so nice to me and always made me feel really, really calm and just an enjoyable visit. So that was something I thought, you know what, I'd like to be able to do that too for people and make them very comfortable in the office. After I'd done my dental assisting, I wasn't sure that was what I really wanted to do. So I just happened to fall into orthodontics. And I started in Swift Current, and I loved it. It was hands-on training at that point. Nowadays, it's not. You have a module that you have to take on top of that. But it was hands-on training, and I just loved being able to work with each of the kids as they came and develop that relationship with them, because it's not like you're in and you're out. You're here for at least a couple years. If this is something that you're interested in, I think you should go into an office. Find a couple offices and shadow. Just go in and just see what they do, because from the chair, it's different. So if you're watching from afar, you can see a lot more what's involved, what you would be doing, what the expectations are of you. That would be something I would really focus on. The other thing I would focus on are grades. I would make sure that my grades are good. I know when I went into dental assisting, I was on number 4 on a wait list, and my average was 84. I think to have a position like this, you need to actually be a very well-rounded person. You need to be friendly, you need to be outgoing, but you also need to be caring, and you need to think about other people and how whatever you're doing is making them feel. And your job is to make everyone feel comfortable, welcome, and so that they walk out of here going, this was a fun time. And we get lots of kids coming in the office all the time going, we love our orthodontist and we love our appointments. That's what we want to hear. And that's what you want to hear.